We're at another car meet. Hopefully I get better content in this one because the last one I went to wasn't really anything good other than Lambo and the R8. But we got Reaper. Nothing new with her, but ain't nobody here. I'm a little early, so I'll catch y'all when there's some people here.
What the fuck?
Get that nigga out of here.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Well, police kicked us out, so we're all just leaving now. Try and get some footage for drive home, So y'all, this car has an issue. I was driving home. It sounded like a damn gunshot or something went off. And I noticed my TPMS sensor is just 0, dead. But the tire doesn't look bad, but there's something rubbing under here somewhere. Don't feel right, so we'll take a look at it in the morning. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.